Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we're checking out the best network cable tracker, a powerful all-in-one tool designed to make network installation and troubleshooting much easier. Whether you're a professional or handling complex wiring, this device has you covered. Let's get started. Meet the ToolTop Network Cable Tracker. This versatile 4-in-1 device combines the capabilities of a network cable tester, multimeter, optical power meter, and a 10 milliwatt visual fault locator, all in one compact tool. It works with Ethernet, telephone, and coaxial video cables, measuring lengths up to 600 meters, which makes it ideal for both small office networks and larger setups. One of the standout features is its advanced network cable analysis. The ToolTop tracker can detect open circuits, short circuits, and crossover issues while verifying crystal head crimping. This ensures your wiring is correct and functional, saving time and preventing costly mistakes during installation. The integrated professional multimeter provides precise electrical measurements with up to 60,000 digits, making it perfect for checking voltage, current, and resistance on multiple applications. Meanwhile, the optical power meter covers a range from 6 dBm to -70 dBm and works with ST, SC, and FC interfaces, allowing accurate testing of optical fiber signals. For visual verification, the device includes a red laser function that can identify fiber breakpoints over distances up to 10 kilometers, giving you a clear view of any faults. Equipped with a noise-free, anti-interference scanning system, the ToolTop tracker can quickly locate target lines even in complex wiring setups, supporting RJ45, BNC, and TEL cables. The engineering accounting feature records up to 100 cable length measurements and calculates network costs, which helps streamline project management and documentation. The interface is user-friendly and supports multiple languages, including Chinese, English, German, and Spanish, making it accessible to network professionals worldwide. Both the main unit and line finder are powered by rechargeable lithium batteries, providing long-lasting energy efficiency and reducing the need for disposable batteries. In terms of design, the ToolTop Network Cable Tracker is compact yet robust. Its solid construction feels reliable in the hand while remaining portable enough to carry between job sites. The controls and display are easy to navigate, ensuring that professionals can work efficiently without unnecessary hassle. In real-life usage, this device is a game changer. Whether you're installing new cables, maintaining office networks, or troubleshooting faults, the ToolTop tracker speeds up your workflow, reduces errors, and provides precise diagnostics. It's ideal for professionals who need a single, reliable device to handle multiple network tasks. This tool is perfect for network technicians, IT professionals, electricians, and anyone who works with cables regularly. Its combination of versatility, accuracy, and convenience makes it an essential companion for any network project.
Impressive, right? Check the price link in the description to grab your own, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more smart gadgets that make work faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and simplify your network tasks with the ToolTop Network Cable Tracker.